Times like this, having an extra battery or two always comes in handy, because the Acura was dead because the hatch, the lever needs to get oiled because it gets stuck, so the door wasn't closed and it drained the battery. But luckily, extra battery was there. Jump start the car, started right up. So yeah, if you guys ever change your battery, you guys can always keep the old one and like jump start it from the new battery that you put in the car or whatever, and just have it sitting around. And one day you may need, like, maybe like in a driveway or wherever, and you may need a jump start, and just like me, I just jump started the car. So yeah, I'm about to run a couple errands. I posted the Crown Carbon Crafting front over fenders, and they already sold. So I'm about to package them up and ship them out. Alright, so front over fenders and North Face jacket, both of them are gonna get shipped out, and yeah. Alright, so first I'm gonna take off the fenders, well, the over fenders, and then I'm gonna zip tie up the lines or whatever, and then I'm gonna cut the front bumper a little, like trim it, and then I'm gonna like zip tie the bumper to the fender so it stays a little bit more sturdy. Then I'm gonna put the fenders back on, well, the over fenders, and then try to set the ride height, and that's it. Because it's pretty nice out today, and I'm gonna at least try to do something like, you know, wash the car and then get some clips of it with the new fenders on and whatever. And then tomorrow, oh no, not tomorrow, because it's gonna rain tomorrow. So Thursday, I'm gonna take the fenders off again, paint under the car so it's black, so the vents show only black and you can't see the silver. And then, yeah, so that's what's gonna be done. Okay, so I trimmed it a little, put a zip tie in there, and put some screws on the fender liner, and did a little razzle dazzle, and looks like this side's decently tucked up. This is good. So this one's fine, and I can put the fender back on and call this one a day, call this one all set. I'm gonna probably drill 2 holes in this one and add another zip tie like right here, because I really don't care. And then yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm done with this side as well. I accidentally cut off the little clip that holds on the bumper on this side, so I just had to self-tap the bumper up into the fender, but I can fix that later. So for now it's good. I'm gonna have to put the fender liner back on that side, and when I get my permanent front bumper, or whatever I end up doing with this, I'm gonna have to decide what I'm gonna do with mounting it. But yeah, the fender liner and under tray and the front splitter and everything is gonna be like chassis mounted, so everything is gonna fit a lot better. But for now, this is good. It's a lot better. As you guys can see, it's good. So yeah, I'm gonna take this thing for the first test drive and hope nothing breaks. So yeah, well, I'm gonna just set you guys like right here, and hopefully it doesn't like mess up like the whatever. But hearing it like go on and off, like the power, which is annoying. Bit of rub. But the misfire isn't happening right now, so that's a good thing, which means it's something electric, so I'm really gonna have to get that sorted out hopefully this weekend, because I got a couple things sold, so I'm gonna be looking into whatever caused the misfire. But yeah, that's really annoying, so yeah. I'm pretty sure it's just it's like one of the cam or crank sensors or something like. Damn, that's a lot of rub. Rubbing a lot somewhere, not sure on what. It's probably the fender liner, like in the front. So I'm probably gonna have to do some trimming and see. But as for the misfire and whatnot, the car sounds really good. Damn, that's a lot of rub. Alright, let's see. Oh gosh. Alright, so as you guys can see, right in there I trimmed out a square of the fender liner right there, and I'm gonna test drive it again and see. I'm not gonna record it because it's just filler, so I'll let you guys know if it rubs. Alright, so doesn't rub. I may have to trim more later on just in case, because when I do the ride height, I know the ride height is gonna be a little bit lower than what I was doing, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna ride it around like 50 psi, and that's gonna be about like here. So I may have to trim a little more, but for now that's good. So I'm gonna clean up, edit the video and post it, and then the next video for tomorrow's upload is going to be like more so feature video. It's gonna be today. I'm gonna record it today, but it's gonna be uploaded for tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, press the little notification bell, and share it with people if you like the content. As you guys know, there's a lot coming. I'm looking into getting a dip sprayer because I want to get the car dipped. Import face-off is coming up really quickly. The month is already over, and I'm pretty sure we have about 25 days. Not too long ago it was 50. So yeah, time's really ticking. I have to get all the stuff like painted on the undercarriage. I have to do the final trimming. I have to get the ride height. I have to do a lot. So there's still a lot to do. And there's a lot of videos and a lot of, yeah. So thanks for watching.